Hey, good afternoon. Oh man, beautiful day today. That marine layer, I'm gonna adjust the camera here. Marine layer was hanging overhead this morning and it kept the temperatures down real cool. It's after 4 o'clock, it's only 76 degrees. Beautiful day today. Even though I was dressed, I have my long sleeves and I was dressed for sun. We actually almost had a little bit of rain, but not really rain, just enough to get the windshield on the cars dirty. So tomorrow I'll need to get gas, or maybe the day after, and I'll hit the car wash. So other than that, man, tired. I don't know what it was with today. Maybe the overcast weather. When I woke up this morning, I just, putting one foot in front of the other. That is one of those days, but beautiful afternoon like this, I cannot complain. I tell you, this is just gorgeous. Why I put up with all the insanity of the libtards and the Democrats ruining this beautiful state, and then you have a blue, sunny, cool day. I tell ya. So, but doesn't mean we're not working on our next business endeavor, and that we are still focusing on our escape plan. So there you go, guys. That's it. That's all I got for you. I'm really kind of fried today. I'm worn out, but I feel great. So I want to tell you guys that I appreciate you watching. Hey, Dad. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Let's do something fun tomorrow.